So you guys really enjoyed the start screen in my devlog 4 of the horror game series. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could set up your own. Before we get into the video, you already know what I'm going to ask. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. We are so close to 7,000 subs. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so there's two new things added to the kit to make this starting screen work. Inside of replicated storage is a new remote event called Wake Up. And inside of server script service, there's a new script called Starting Screen. Inside of this starting script, it holds the opening scene UI. Make sure you guys update your games with these two new things. If you want to customize how the starting screen looks, here are the steps you can take to do so. You're going to go to Starter Script Service, drag the opening scene into Starter GUI, and it should show up just like this. After that, you can customize what each text label says. So as you can see, we have text 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 says press start to begin. Text 4 says good luck, don't be too long. You can customize it and make it say whatever you want in whatever order. And on the topic of customization, you could pretty much change whatever you want here. Just don't touch the handler script. You could change the sounds. Don't change any of the names of the labels or anything because that'll probably mess up the code. But if you want to mess around with the color, this heartbeat thing right here, do whatever you want. Just don't really touch that handler script unless you know what you're doing. And once you're done customizing, just make sure you drag that opening scene UI back into the starting screen script. If you don't, then it'll just break everything. But that pretty much wraps up today's videos. As always, the link to the kit will be in the description, as well as a link to my Discord server. Make sure you hit that join. We have great staff that will help you with any bugs or errors that you may have. Leave me any suggestions that you guys may have in the comments below. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.